Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how to duplicate worksheet within the same workbook. Okay, so for instance, you have already set all the margins and the page orientations. For example, you press Ctrl P. For instance, you have already set up ready to print, and then this time you want to create another section. So you can click the back, and then to duplicate this worksheet, you can simply right click on the name of the worksheet here, right click, and then click move or copy, left click, and then you can click move to end and then create copy, and then click OK. So this time you have already copied the same worksheet in a workbook. Okay, so this time you can now change the name of the section. For instance, you can rename this one. You right click and then rename to rename a worksheet, and then for example, you have another section. Okay, and then press enter. So this time you have already two worksheet within a workbook. So for instance, if you want to copy again or to duplicate another worksheet, you can simply do the same. So you right click on the worksheet you want to duplicate, and then left click move or copy, and then click move to end, and then create copy, and then click OK. So this will actually save your time in creating another worksheet with the same settings on the columns, on the rows, on the fonts, and other setup. Okay, so that's all how to duplicate a worksheet within a workbook. Thank you so much for watching.